Hello everyone, need to attach documents in DeepSeek? I'll walk you through it in just few easy steps. First, open the DeepSeek app. Once you are in, go ahead and open any chat where you want to send your document. Now, to attach the document, tap the plus symbol at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will bring up several options for you. You'll see options like Photo OCR, Image OCR, and Document. Tap on Document to proceed. Next, browse through your device's files and select the document you want to attach. Once you have chosen your document, you can type any text to go along with it. Then simply tap Send, and that's it. Your document is now successfully attached to your message. Make sure your document is in a supported format like PDF or doc for a smoother attachment process. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share it, and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.